This is what the trailers look like after a nice little snow. Getting ready to do a nice little two-step wash on it. Bring it back to its nice natural colors. A little bit cold today. It's about 30, it's probably about 35 degrees right now. And so let's see what we can't do with it. Got a lot of ice buildup on it. A lot of carbon up there on the top. We'll see what we can do. This is a soap that we use. This is my old machine out here. Now it's stationary. Just saves on fuel. Here's the finished product after we two-step. The trailer here. Removed all the ice. Washing in the wintertime on trailers is really critical to wash the ice off, just because it just adds a tremendous amount of weight to the trailers. We get to the other side here, looking up, all the aluminum back to a nice shiny bright new look aluminum. We love it. Have a good day. I said earlier a little while ago that it was about 35 degrees, but seeing all this ice on my stairs that I walk up into my trailers with, and all this shiny ice on the floor here, and the icicles on my shuttle buggy that I move all the trailers up here. I've washed about 13 trailers today, something like that. And I finished up my Coca-Cola here, and it's all froze up.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath, long about a Saturday night. Yeah, a rub-a-dub, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. Well, I stepped out the tub and put my feet on the floor.